Hello, I'm Megan. So, you've been searching for a way to whiten your teeth because they have become discolored. I can certainly understand your concern. Having yellow stained teeth is not appealing. It can make you feel embarrassed and cause you to be withdrawn socially. Not wanting to smile because of the appearance of your teeth can even have you feeling depressed and unattractive about yourself. These stains that are causing you anguish come from coffee, tea, food, smoking, and even medications. However, there is a way to get whiter teeth. This can be achieved by using a product called Ulta-White, which is an at-home teeth whitening treatment that is fast, safe, and easy to use. No expensive dentist visits. It applies in seconds. No messy strips. No trays to use. Polishes while whitening. Professional results at home. Ulta-White can give you that dazzle teeth whitening you desire. Celebrities and models use this product, and now, so can you. This gives the best at-home teeth whitening that is affordable. To purchase Ulta-White, go to www.dazzleteethwhitening.com or click the link below this video. Go ahead and order today, and you will soon discover a sexy, brighter, whiter smile.